And this is the last helicopter in the Hampshire song, okay?
I quit life. Pardon?
Do you have anything in your bag?
Yeah, I stacked up on the update.
What did you get?
What are you doing? I got a,
Wait, do you have any lucky
yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to do lucky things?
I opened the bag.
All of them.
I got four of them, but then my
What's your best thing?
the chicken nugget, wait, there's I got something that makes 33 million a second.
Right, do you want my card?
Okay. I did, because all my friends were in the sub, in that sub. Vlog, and the people back. Yeah. Mommy, fun fact. Do you think I'm faster than you? Okay. What's gonna hit me? That could do. Good. Oh my. Flare gun. Flare gun. Why did it's oh my. I hate that. I hate these because they don't explode. Oh my. Oh my, yeah. Oh my. Me when I have diarrhea. Diarrhea. Me when I have diarrhea. But I think exactly 10 minutes. I don't have headphones in my ears. Calm down. I've been here for 10 minutes. That's the look, goodbye guys.
Yeah, did you?
No, let's go, let's go. Guys, over here! Albert! 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 I found a spot! Here. Yeah, no, we got all the food to ourselves. We could even sit down.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not going to sit down. And stand up. Record. What
He's
am I
asking for another sweet.
Don't worry.
Okay, I literally only have 2 left.
I'll have
This is
one.
not fair.
I don't have it. Actually, no, you can have them.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that!
It smells.
It smells like gas.
It smells like farts.
Guys, look up there.
Oh yeah, there's someone there.
Where?
There. You see the
What's
light?
that?
There might be getting the fireworks ready. Because there's fireworks right there. Well, there's firework launchers. They're probably getting ready. In,
Yeah, look where.
oh, it's the
There was a fireworks they were behind the cab.
it's the ISS up there. ISS up there. ISS.
Is the rocket station top?
No, it's the International Space Station. It's the International Space Station's up there. There, see that? The flying dot? That's the International Space. Oh!
Look at the man with the fire.
The bloody tab! Yeah, oh, just get in, decar. Oh wait, I need a pee, hang on. Guys, I need a pee. Oh my god! Get back over, mate.
Okay, Oscar, circle.
Oh, sure.
Let's jump.
Huh?
Let's go.
Can you stop that? You're gonna break your... that's fine. Are you kidding me?
Okay, we'll do it again. Oscar. Okay, Oscar, you can move.
6.
So what did Oscar do? He said 6
Before I do this, a quick warm up.
Now look above us. There.
I bet I'm gonna hit. I bet I'm gonna hit.
What? What's that? Oh, to play.
Yeah, I bet that's gonna crash down on the fireman. Look.
It went to cover.
Juggling. He's juggling 4.
4 more to go.
I don't know.
He's struggling 6.
If I get this trick, please.
No, he's struggling 5.
Cheers,
Yeah.
shout, scream,
No,
shout,
he's
shout.
juggling man in the wind. No, that's good. Wait, no, you take a video of this.
And if I get this trick, even I am going to be impressed. 5 flaming fire torches.
5.
The
Oh, 5.
highlight of the show.
High. Okay, if you do it.
Here we go. 5 flaming fire torches.
What is it? That's good. That's
Oh my.
Look up there. Where? You're gonna put this school. Look.
They're lighting it! They're lighting it! They're lighting the bonfire! They're lighting the bonfire!
Okay, let me think.
There's a school!
Imagine if this guy started running around the school lighting the school on fire.
They're lighting the bonfire!
Gonna be free. You free then.
Imagine about that to trail.
Oh!
Imagine about that to trail.
Oh no, they're pouring something on it! Guys, they're pouring something on it! Look! They're pouring
lighting it!
They're lighting it!
Imagine he burnt the tip tail down.
They're lighting it!
We know now. No, look.
Wait, no, how's he tag?
Wait, are you seeing this? Oh, you see it?
He's gonna win!
He's gonna fly away.
to whip.
I'm only here. I'm only here to add some trail.
That would be so fun.
Yeah.
Now look. What is that? Okay, get blow. What is that? What is that smell? It's a whip. Use it to whip someone. On the butt. The speaker vest.
Oh, that's fake fire.
That's fake fire.
Yeah.
How do you know? Because they just touched him all the way round and he didn't die. That is fake fire. That's fake fire!
Oh, let's go watch this fight.
Okay, let's go play hide and seek tag.
Oh, let's go play hide and seek tag.
Oh, sure, bet.
Yeah. Ow. You hurt me. I'm gonna hurt you now. Ow. Where's Hank? Hang on. Guys, wait up! Who's on?
You guys stay here. And the guys be down here. Oh, come down.
So,
Wait, you find it. Wait, do we go to people in here?
no. Okay, hang on then.
Okay, spinner. Guys, okay, this is a...
Don't pick me. You spinner. Yeah, don't pick me. I'll pick you up. I'll pick you up down time.
Ignore these two.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you can't do that.
Malachi's on. Mally. Look at that headless chicken run. There's time to go over here. Move it to get back. Stop, Mason. Albert! Why? Okay, I see what. No.
Okay,
Yeah, Dylan's on.
Okay, this is really good.
Tag.
Wait, you can join in next round.
Okay, but.
Can you help us find Okay, you're right. Can you help us find Leo? Angus and Leo. Yeah, Angus and Leo. Okay, guys, zigzag. Join in next round.
Tag.
I'm already on.
Tag. Mila's already on. Tag.
Wait, no. Get a Christmas skate here. Me and Luke will go investigate.
Okay.
I want to come.
Actually, can I come?
You have a phone torch.
Yeah, but.
That means we're probably not going to go that far.
Oscar's a phone torch.
I got Leo.
Angus.
Tag.
We need to get Angus.
The fireworks are insane! Oh my! Stay tuned for a fireworks barrage. Yeah, sure, come on.
Albert! I want you about teacher. Teacher! Idiot! You big back, you're such a big back. You guys go there! He caught that on camera.
I did caught that on camera, mate.
Albert, Oscar caught that on camera. Oh my!
Have you ever seen fireworks in your life? Why do you need to fight? Back up.
Big black monster!
Hey! No, yes! Record it!
I am recording. I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, yes!
Funny.
You have a YouTube channel! Where you going?
What?
Oh!
Guess how many subscribers I have? Albert, guess how many subscribers I have? 10. Right now I have 150.
That's Twitch. How much money? How much have you got any money?
No, you get money when you hit 1,000 subscribers. No, you get
Guys, come on.
No, you get money. You start earning money when you get 100,000. Like 12 cents per year. Oh my! Oh my gosh! Firework barrage! I think it's over. Oh my god. I could do this all day. I think it's, yeah, it's over. No, but it's not over. Yeah, it's over. Oh my god.
We're out of here! We're in the big jail!
I just got something.
Ah! This is Big Man following me.
They follow me.
Oh!
Yeah, I think I saw it. Should I stop recording? Yep, bye.